Hey friends, if you encounter the device setup manager DsmSvc High CPU usage on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable the DsmSvc service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the device setup manager service. Okay, so how would we find that? And then right click on it and then select disable if there's an option. Right now there's an option to start because it is disabled by default. The next one is to scan the system for malware. Now how would you scan the system for malware? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. Okay, now open the Windows malicious software removal tool. Click on next, click on full scan, click on next, and then it will start scanning and fix the problem. And finally, try an SFC scan on your system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.